Hi, Kayla.
Hi.
Thank you for coming in today.
Yeah.
I saw that your employer referred you to talk to us. I really appreciate you taking the time to come in and make that appointment.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a sense of what's your employer's concern that led him refer you to us?
I mean, I've been missing a few days of work or consistently coming in late, so I'm guessing that's why.
Okay. So, I hear you saying that you were missing some days at work or sometimes you were late at work. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
I've just been really stressed out, so I tend to come home and have a drink, and then I wake up with no energy, which makes me miss work, or I wake up late and just don't go in.
All right. So, do you believe that this stress that you are feeling at work is making you um, drink drink more, and then the next day you feel no energy to go to work?
Yes, I do.
So, as part of our health service, is important to examine some lifestyle issues that may affect the health, your health, especially because you have been missing these days at work, and it's being like it's been a constant cause of problems between you and your employer. So I believe that they are concerned about your health. So I'm going to ask you some questions about your use of alcohol beverages during the past year. Alcohol can affect many areas of health, and it is important to identify your alcohol usage and whether you have experienced any problems with your drinking. So please be honest and accurate as you can be. I'm going to give you here a reference. Is agreed with some drinks, some kind of drinks and measurements, so you can use as a reference for what you drink.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so this test is to measure the quantity of alcohol that you have been drinking the past year, like I said. And there are 10 questions that I'm going to ask you. So, how often do you have a drink containing alcohol? Never. Monthly or less. 2 to 4 times a month. 2 to 3 times a week. 4 or more times a week.
I'd say 2 to 3 times a week.
How many drinks containing alcohol do you have on a typical day when you were drinking? 1 or 2, 3 or 4, 5 or 6, 7, 8 or 9, 10 or more.
I'd say probably around 3 or 4.
How often do you have 6 or more drinks on one occasion? Never, less than a month, monthly, weekly, daily, or almost daily.
Monthly.
Okay, how often during the last year have you found that you were not able to stop drinking once you have started? Never, less than a month, monthly, weekly, daily, or almost daily?
Weekly.
How often during the last year have you failed to do what was normally expected from you because of drinking? Never, less than a month, monthly, weekly, daily, or almost daily?
Weekly.
How often during the last year have you needed a first drink in the morning to get yourself going after a heavy drinking session? Never, less than a month, monthly, weekly, daily, or almost daily?
Monthly.
How often during the last year have you had a feeling of guilt or remorse after drinking? Never, less than a month, monthly, weekly, daily, or almost daily?
Weekly.
How often during the last year have you been unable to remember what happened the night before because you have been drinking? Never, less than a month, monthly, weekly, daily, or almost daily?
Monthly.
Have you or someone else been injured as a result of your drinking? No. Yes, but not in the last year. Yes, during the last year.
Yes, but not in the last year.
Has a relative or friend or a doctor or another health worker been concerned about your drinking or suggested you to cut down? No. Yes, but not in the last year. Yes, during the last year.
Yes, during the last year.
Okay, so now I'm going to score this and I'm going to let you know the results.
Okay.
Okay, so your total score is around 25, and this result shows that you need some more more true diagnostic evaluation for alcohol dependency. So there are some other measurements that we have to take because of these results.
Okay.